Since 2007, mobile web has absolutely exploded, and with it, the need for mobile websites has exploded as well. And this is why, from about 2007 to 2010, mobile websites were incredibly popular. From about 2007 to 2010, 11, that era, mobile websites were basically all the rage. And the reason for this was simple. With mobile websites, you could retrofit one onto an existing website. Somebody who had an existing site they just had developed and spent thousands having built could quickly take advantage of this new and upcoming mobile market by catering to it with a mobile website that would be built and tacked onto their existing site. This, however, was not a good long-term solution for a whole bunch of reasons I'm going to cover right now. First of all, when you have a mobile website, you have two separate websites. You have a small site that's actually built specifically for the mobile viewer. This means that you have to support multiple platforms, which causes platform problems. You have to support people on iPhones, people on Android, etc., and you have to remain compatible with them. It also leads to, of course, two development cycles because both sites have to be constructed. This leads to syncing and update problems between the parent website or the main website and the mobile site, which has to read what's going on. It also causes SEO problems as there's duplicate content on the site and all kinds of other issues. Basically, mobile websites were a kludge and they are no longer used by most development houses. What's replaced them as responsive websites. The way that responsive websites work that differs from mobile sites is that there is one website. There is no mobile site and then desktop website. There's no two websites. There's only one site, but it's built in a way that responds adaptively to whatever device is viewing it. In other words, it just scales the screen down or up to fit whatever size screen. So you don't have to worry about different screen sizes. When you build a responsive website, you simply worry about one site and that's it. You don't have to get into the whole, back and forth and problems of, well, is this going to view in the mobile site? Is this going to view in the desktop site? How is this going to look here? How is it going to look there? You just build one site and then you worry about all the rest later. With responsive website technology, you have incredibly lower development costs because you have a single development cycle. You build the site just once and then you use it everywhere. Now, what we see, like with Rocket Driver's platform, what we use, we hybridize. We have some of both. We allow for things to be selectively displayed or not displayed on smartphones, for example, or tablets. But at the same time, we're using responsive website technology. Our sites are responsive. This gives you tremendous advantages over both a straight responsive site, like what you would get with WordPress when you're talking about, just having a responsive site that's built completely for all devices, or a mobile website, which is built selectively for those specific smartphones and specific tablets, those devices of that size range. With our technology, basically the way that it works is you're going to be able to build your website once, have your desktop site, but at the same time, you're going to be able to add or subtract different elements that are specific to tablets or specific to mobile devices. This is generally how responsive website has evolved. For example, you don't want click-to-call buttons showing up on a desktop site. You want them on the mobile site, but there's no mobile site anymore. The website then has to be intelligent and it has to know, okay, this is somebody viewing on a screen this big. They're probably mobile. Let's display them a click-to-call button. And that's the kind of adaptive technology that we have here at Rocket Driver, and it's the kind of adaptive technology that has taken the market by storm.